Hey guys, so today a little comparison regarding cleaning magnets, this little utensil that most of us are using to clean the glasses, especially after 2 weeks of both tongue just stayed without any maintenance. Glasses need to be cleaned, clearly. And in fact, I would like to share with you guys something that I tested lately. I was not so satisfied from this JBL floaty. I don't know if you know it. You will see it in the tank. This is typically what you can find quite everywhere, so easy to get access to, but it's let's say old technology, or it's not complicated technology magnet. Nevertheless, I tried to check out on the internet what could be an interesting alternative to test, bringing some new ideas, or let's say maybe even nicer features. And I tested the two guys that I'm showing currently. So this is Fluval Razor, and this is a Tonse Magnet. What's the name already? Care Magnet Nano. So they do have different. If you have a look here, they do have different size and building material. I would say the long one is metal one, and the Magnet Nano, this is a little one, just plastic. You will see like a credit card. And this is this last one, this little guy. I'm very fan of, and I will try to explain to you and to show you why and how. I will right now just use this guy. So this is a floaty JBL. You can see this one is even the medium size, I guess. I used to get the very big one for the tank, but it was really too strong. So I don't know if you know such kind of magnet. This is the material is a bit inside, a bit black. Let's say up, up, up. You know, this is this guy, this kind of abrasive textile inside to let you the possibility to clean, or let's say to try to clean a huge surface in one shoot. But at the end you can see that in fact you need to do it horizontally if you want to get something clean everywhere, like that. You have a little nice 1 centimeter circa advance panel in order for you to go in difficult location, like this one. Okay, but this is, and the floaty aspect is very interesting. So typically up you go away, and this is floating. I do it again, you go away, and you can get it back. So it's a very nice advantage, but the disadvantage, this is the volume that you are moving, doing some vibration in the water, and you know certainly that fish are very sensitive in the center line to any kind of vibration, because it could be predator attack. So, by the way, especially with the big one, it started to be bothering. And regarding the detailing, cleaning aspect, I never go closer to the sound, otherwise you know the problem, you kill your glass. So the Fluval one, this is the second one I would like to show you. You see, it's a very interesting design. In this case, I would turn it, bloop, and you can turn it in a very easy way, like that. So this is cool, hopla. And here I do have, like the Fluval floaty, something to clean a huge panel in one shot. The interesting aspect, this is when you switch to the little head, you have two little feet on the top in order to focus the pressure on the head, and you see it's then easier to clean precisely like that. So this is cool, it makes the job, it's already an improvement clearly, but the huge difference in dimension between the length and the width make it not so easy to manipulate, I would say, especially when you have such kind of no, here it's fine, but I found out that this little guy look like smaller and not so efficient. In fact, it's my dream magnet, clearly. So, like a credit card, you can see the efficiency. Each time that you do this, you have everything away. You can switch up from one side to another side. You continue, of course. This is some plastic panel. Here you have some different color, and I ask Tanze to complete the package that I before received, because in fact this part were missing, and I find this idea, it's a kind of detail that when you are acquired sticker fish keeper with different tank, you really enjoy it, because you can distinguish your magnet with the color, like the Discus have the red one and this one is the blue one, or you can set up everything black if you want minimalist setup. Okay, so what I really enjoy, this is how clean this is, but the best part, this is how you can go to clean close to the sun and even in the sun if you want and if you need it. So it does cost a bit, something like €20, 25.